Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device and OS so you know which menus will appear. Once ready, back up anything critical. Clearing data is irreversible. Now open Safari. On iPhone, tap the tabs icon. On Mac, open a new window. If you're currently in private mode, leave it so you can access recent private tabs. If private windows are closed, you'll need to proceed from normal Safari. Make sure you have screen access and proceed to History and Settings. You should close every private tab and window before clearing data, otherwise some traces can persist. On iPhone/iPad, open Settings, Safari, Clear History and Website Data and confirm. On Mac, choose Safari, Clear History and pick the time range, then Clear History. To remove specific site data, go to Settings, Safari, Advanced Website Data, then delete items one by one. Once done, these steps remove cookies, caches, and visit records. You're almost finished. Restart Safari, and then reboot your device to ensure caches flush. Make sure iCloud Safari syncing won't reintroduce history. Turn off Safari in iCloud or clear iCloud Safari data if needed. If you still see traces, clear DNS cache on Mac via terminal or toggle airplane mode on mobile, and review saved passwords in Settings, Passwords to remove any autofill entries tied to sites. If problems persist, repeat clearing steps after disabling sync, and then restart again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.